Welcome back to another comprehensive review session of BITFINEX. BITFINEX is a well-established cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2012. It is known for its advanced trading features, high liquidity, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. BITFINEX caters to both individual traders and institutional clients, offering spot trading, margin trading, derivatives, and various other financial services. Using BITFINEX. Dashboard overview. The main dashboard provides an overview of your account balance, open positions, recent trades, and market data. Users can access various features such as spot trading, margin trading, and derivatives trading. Spot trading. BITFINEX's spot trading platform allows users to buy and sell a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The platform provides advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and various order types, including market, limit, and stop orders. Margin trading. BITFINEX offers margin trading with leverage, allowing users to borrow funds to increase their trading position. The platform supports isolated and cross-margin trading, along with advanced order types and risk management tools. Derivatives trading. BITFINEX provides a range of derivatives products, including perpetual contracts and futures. These products allow users to hedge their positions and speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies. Staking and lending. BITFINEX offers staking services for various cryptocurrencies, allowing users to earn rewards on their holdings. Security and privacy. Data encryption. BITFINEX uses advanced encryption methods to protect user data and ensure secure transactions. This includes SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. Privacy policy. BITFINEX adheres to a strict privacy policy, ensuring that user data is not sold or shared with third parties without consent. Advantages of BITFINEX. High liquidity. BITFINEX provides high liquidity across its trading pairs, ensuring that users can execute large trades with minimal slippage. Competitive fees. BITFINEX offers competitive trading fees, with discounts available for high-volume traders and users who hold LEO tokens, BITFINEX's native token. Advanced features. The platform's advanced trading features and tools cater to both novice and experienced traders, providing a comprehensive trading experience. Robust security measures. BITFINEX's robust security measures, including cold storage and two-factor authentication, ensure the safety of user funds. Limitations and challenges. Regulatory uncertainty. As with all cryptocurrency exchanges, BITFINEX operates in a rapidly evolving regulatory landscape. Users should be aware of potential regulatory changes that could impact the availability of services in their region. Past security breaches. BITFINEX has experienced security breaches in the past, notably in 2016. While the platform has significantly improved its security measures since then, this history may concern some users. Complex interface. BITFINEX's advanced features and tools may be overwhelming for novice traders. The platform's interface is complex, which might require a learning curve for new users. Conclusion. BITFINEX remains a powerful and popular cryptocurrency exchange in 2024, offering a wide range of features to help users manage their crypto portfolios effectively. Its high liquidity, advanced trading tools, and robust security measures make it an excellent tool for both novice and experienced traders. That wraps up our detailed review of BITFINEX. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.